Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect across time and space. I'm happy that you would join me today. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your circumstance, insecure about your body, feeling restless, lazy, depressed, worried, fearful about the future, feeling lack and limitations, feeling intense cravings, feeling frustrated with relationships, feeling angry at yourself, critical of so many things. Well, my friend, I want you to know that you're not alone. If you can relate to any of those negativities, irritability, stress at work or school, we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust, come back to love, not just for ourselves, but for life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be aware. You can lie down if you like, or sit up straight, extending your spine. Putting distractions to the side. Letting go of that inner critic who has just been so hard, so mean. Having forgiveness for yourself for any mistakes that have been made. Having forgiveness for yourself for falling short of your goals and aspirations. Remembering that you're not a robot, but a human being. That your flaws are what makes you so beautiful. Becoming aware of your body, how your body feels in this moment. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your hands and feet. Taking a deep breath in. And as you exhale, relaxing the face. Breathing in fully and completely. And exhale, releasing the stress, the negativity, the anger. Breathing in. out. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Aware of your posture, aware of your body, becoming conscious of this moment, unlike any other moment thus far. Relaxing into the meditation as you let your eyes be closed, looking in, witnessing and welcoming the pain, the inner criticism, the shame, feelings of guilt, feelings of not being enough. Welcoming all of this like old friends. Breathing in and exhale. Inhaling love and light. Exhaling the fear, exhaling the darkness. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body as you breathe in. And breathe out. Relaxing your eyes, bringing the attention inwards, observing yourself very gently, very lovingly, smiling at discomfort, knowing that you're beyond all of this. Every cell in your body breathing in. Holding at the top. Squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw. Tense everything, tense, 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 tense as you can. And exhale, release, let go. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly. Relaxing your face, feeling your chest opening, becoming more expansive, feeling the muscles in your feet and hands relax. Taking a deep breath in, hold. And again, tense your body, squeeze down on the fist, squeeze down on your jaw. Tense, tense, tense as you can. And exhale. Let go of all tension in the face, bringing a smile, relaxing your belly, opening your heart to more love. You can put one hand to your heart. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Relaxing your shoulders. Feeling all the muscles around your shoulders relaxing. Feeling your spine. filled with light as you become more conscious of this moment. Breathing in, feeling your belly rise. Hold. And exhale. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Very nice, my friend. Way to stay with it. Becoming aware of your body. Want you to feel your body more light. More spacious. Becoming aware of the inner space. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of the suffering. Breathing in trust for the unfolding of life. And exhaling, letting go of worries, insecurities. Breathing in fully and completely. Exhale. The color for today is navy blue. The number is 202. And the animal is a possum. Becoming aware of your space, aware of your surroundings. Aware of how you feel. So you take one more deep breath for now. And exhale. And for 5 seconds, bringing all your attention inwards. I thank you so much for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, my dear friend. Choosing love over fear and having patience with yourself when you make a mistake. I feel as I make these meditations, sometimes I don't hit the handpan just right, or I don't like how I played my flute, or even these chimes. I can feel super critical of myself just making these meditations, where sometimes I finish up and I'm like, oh, that was a great episode. And sometimes I finish up like, that was crap. And I have to have patience and just, okay, it wasn't the best episode. I forgive myself. Tomorrow will be a new day. I can try again. And this is the way with all aspects of our life. Just, if it's not that great, just try again. Have patience. Have compassion. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.